This is Samsung Galaxy M05, and today I'll show how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So there is a simpler and more, or should I say less straightforward way. So the first method is to open the control panel and, well, expand the list of controls here. Look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon and tap on it once to enable, or the second time to switch it off. You can also do that by launching your device's settings. Here enter the modes and routines, or actually, the sound and vibration. Then scroll down and look for the Do Not Disturb mode here. And from the Do Not Disturb page, you can switch it on or off. You can also configure the automated schedules for this mode to be automatically activated and deactivated at. You can also set up exceptions and so on. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.